How to set up a Snapchat Family Center. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So setting up Snapchat Family Center lets parents and guardians keep an eye on their teens' Snapchat activity for safety. And here's how you can set it up. First of all, you need to go ahead and make sure that the Snapchat application is up to date. Make sure that you and your team both have the latest Snapchat version installed. You can do it from the Play Store or App Store according to your device. After that, open Snapchat, log into your account and tap on the profile picture icon in the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on the gear icon in the top right to go to settings. Scroll down to privacy control and then tap on family center, that is between see my location and generative AI settings. This will take you to parents.snapchat.com. Go through this article and then invite your teen. You can enter your teen's Snapchat username or send them an invite link, and your teen will receive a request to join the family center. Then your teen needs to accept the invite in their Snapchat app under the family center. And once connected, you can view your teen's friend list and who they chat with, but not the content of chats. Note that both accounts must opt in the Family Center and it is designed for teens aged 13 to 17. Family Center does not show chat content, but it helps with the oversight. And if this feature is not available in your country or region, you just simply need to wait for it. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.